Hey friends, check it out. Today we want to share our 8 packing solutions that you could incorporate right now that'll transform you into a packing pro. You can actually avoid these problems, but
you need to get organized.
like we did.
And to get organized, you need the right tools.
So let's talk about the 8 packing solutions that will get you organized, eliminate those frustrations, and have you packing like a pro in no time.
First things first.
Just to give you a little insight into our packing, we consolidate our clothing, divide everything into categories, and then we assign each of those categories into their designated packing solution. That creates consistency.
And it also makes it faster to pack. Think of packing cubes as your portable travel-sized dresser drawers. They just keep everything in a particular order for you.
They do more than that though. They compress your clothing, they have little handles that make them easy to pull in and out of your luggage. They open completely, so everything in your luggage is easily accessible. They fit in your carry-on, protect your clothes from other items in your luggage, maintain tidiness, and they're washable.
The 2 that we use for every trip, it doesn't matter the duration, are the small and the medium-sized packing cubes from Eagle Creek's original Packet starter set. Our small cube always holds socks, underwear, workout clothes, bras. Our medium packing cube contains all of our casual clothes, t-shirts, tank tops, bathing suits, shorts, scarves, things like that.
Just like the packing cubes, the packing folder compresses when closed. It's easy to access because it completely opens up. It has a handle, so it's easy to load and unload. Fits into your carry-on, keeps your clothes safe, and it is washable. But unlike the packing cubes, it's larger, so you can actually fold your clothes.
All of our nice clothes, polo shirts, button-up shirts, dresses, nice pants, go into Eagle Creek's packing folder.
One folder between the 2 of us.
I store them in the folder because they maintain their quality better than they would in the packing cube. Cubes and folders compress, compression sacks smash.
Compression sack smash.
It looks like I was knifing someone.
What are you doing there?
The compression sacks smash all of the air out of the bag, which reduces the volume by about 80%. They also trap moisture and odors. They are easy to load and unload into your bag, and they're machine washable. What's really nice about having all of your dirty clothes together is that as soon as you get home from your trip, you can dump all of that into your laundry basket or into your washer.
People are actually using these to hold all of their belongings. I wouldn't do this. Compression sacks primarily serve as our dirty laundry bin.
The Gridded is Preston's favorite packing solution.
True dat.
Unlike a built-in organizer, it's portable. Everything's easily accessible, and you can arrange your belongings in an endless variety of ways. It fits in your carry-on, and it fits in an airplane's seat back pocket.
Ooh.
Because of this one item, we're no longer losing or misplacing small things. Cables don't get tangled up anymore. This just maintains order in your bag. Without a liquids bag, you can't carry liquids in your carry-on. You just use Ziploc bags because they're cheap, they're durable, and they're sealable.
And you can just reuse the same one over and over again. How much are Ziploc bags? Like what?
What is this, The Price is Right?
You're only allowed 1 clear quart-sized liquid bag per person, so we each take one. Decide what liquids we're taking with us. Make sure they're in a container that's no greater than 3.4 ounces. Divide them into the 2 separate Ziploc bags, and we're done.
Usually I have about 27 different liquids, and Preston has 2.
I don't travel with a lot.
A toiletry bag is great. This keeps all of your toiletries organized and easily accessible.
Are you noticing a trend here? Everything is packed in a specific place.
It's a lifesaver, man.
It is, man. Hey, man, it's a lifesaver, man. So we travel with our trusty REI toiletry bag. It zips open and has a main compartment that you can put larger items in. So we put our toothbrushes, hairbrush, deodorants, Jen's glasses,
Face wipes.
our first aid stuff. And there is a side mesh zipper pocket, and in there we'll put smaller toiletries, cotton balls,
Q-tips.
dental floss.
Contacts. And then there's also a zipper pocket on the outside of the bag. That's where I usually throw in my razor, anything else that you might want to get to. I don't know why I need to get to my razor.
It's the threat. I'll cut you. I got easy access to this razor.
All right, ladies, the makeup bag. This is gonna keep all of your makeup in one place and easily accessible. The closed bag also keeps the brushes safe, and then if anything spills, it's not going all over the rest of your bag. I typically travel with some foundation, concealer, bronzer, eyeshadow, eyelash curler, lip gloss, and mascara. That's pretty much what I travel with.
You want luggage that's gonna work with you, not against you. Adapt to the different environments and situations you're gonna encounter. Transport easily and meet various size restrictions. Hold what you need and make it easy for you to get to the things that you need when you need them.
And there are a lot of options out there, so I'd recommend first making a list of all of the features that are most important to you. For us, accessibility was the most important feature, which is why we use the bags that we use.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. These packing solutions changed our lives for the better. We know they're gonna help you out too.
And what products have you used to solve your packing issues and learn to pack like a pro? Let us know in the comment section below. And remember, keep finding ways to travel smarter.